Hey guys, I'm Bad Birdie, and I've teamed up with SodaStream to bring you this Orange Julius. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make this. Now, this is one of my favorite desserts as a kid, and now I'm fortunate enough to make it for my nephews. So we're going to start off with 4 ounces of fresh orange juice, and we're going to do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. There you are. And I'm gonna give this a quick little shake just to get it cold. Now that we've got our orange and lime juice mixed up, now we're gonna make some sparkling water with my SodaStream. My nephews love using this thing. I think they just wanna push the button. And it looks really cool too. All right, our sparkling water's ready. We're gonna get a mason jar and we're gonna put some scoops of vanilla ice cream in there. Okay. All right guys, so let's add some scoops of ice cream. And this is French vanilla. Okay, we have our scoops. We have some blonde cola syrup here. I like this because it tastes already kind of like an orange creamsicle. So we're gonna add it right into our sparkling water, just a little bit, because we already have our fresh orange juice and lime juice, okay? Go ahead and pour that mixture and top it with soda water. Now, of course, we gotta add some whipped cream. Top that. That extra step, we're gonna zest it with some oranges, okay? That looks beautiful. And there you have it, guys. Orange Julius a la SodaStream. You're gonna have ice cream, oranges, whipped cream, bubbles. What more do you need? Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Bad Birdie. Stay tuned for more recipes.